The beneficiary of a recent rotisserie restoration, the 66 Mustang Coupe wraps a lively 289 5-speed drivetrain in swank grayscale aesthetics that dramatically emphasize form. This substantial Pro Tourer is constructed of all original sheet metal, save for a Ford replacement hood. Naturally, the build began with a complete dismantling of the car's solid body. Once that steel had been stripped, shaped, primed, and block sanded, a combination of custom PPG base donned varying swaths of gloss and flat clear. When that prized pigment was finessed into a depiction of wet-looking metallic silver and charcoal gray planes, red outlining stripes added a perfect finishing touch. Pop the doors and you'll find a heavily customized interior that celebrates the car's status as a true pony package Mustang. Firm TMI bucket stretch pony branded covers between large bolsters and 3-point seat belts. A sculpted dash frames classic instruments gauges and hardware for Restomod air conditioning in modern carbon fiber style trim. The custom console founds a billet shifter in front of a 400-watt Kenwood stereo system, and a color-keyed Budnick steering wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a 289 cubic inch Windsor sporting high-performance hardware from the likes of Holley, Edelbrock, MSD, and Comp Cams. Maintaining the power is a Tremec 5-speed that spins a Ford 9-inch with 370 gears. Fully sorted and ready to cruise, this impressive Ford is a refreshing take on the traditional pony card premise. With excellent performance, a classic driving experience, and killer looks, it's the kind of car that'll have you smiling with every walk to the garage. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.